Hi everyone, here we've got REALME 6i and let me share with you how to show emoji suggestions on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll to the additional settings. Now let's tap on keyboard and input method and choose the keyboard you've got currently set. So in my case it is Gboard, and enter the text correction. And as you can see here, we've got the option show emoji suggestions, which is right now turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on it, and since now it is active, and your device will suggest you some emojis whilst typing. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, but let me keep it turned on. So actually this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your REALME 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.